Hi there, my name is Tim and welcome to the Adobe Photoshop Club for Creatives. First thing you need to know about this course is that it's designed for complete beginners. There's no need to have any previous experience of Photoshop or any Adobe program for that matter. You don't need to be experienced in photography or illustration, drawing or design, but we'll be picking up all these types of influences along the way. So besides learning Adobe Photoshop, we'll be drawing on other artistic skill sets. So this is a project-based course, which means we won't go into every single tool in exhausting detail. Instead, we're going to focus on fun, inspiring, artistic projects that really get you involved and makes learning Photoshop feel effortless. As the title implies, this is a Photoshop club for creatives. What I mean is it's not a standalone course. I intend this to be the only course I'm going to create on Photoshop. I'm going to put all my tutorials that I create over the next few years in this Adobe Photoshop Club. I've been using Photoshop for 20 years on a daily basis, both as a freelancer for magazines, corporate publications, designing websites, and publishing art technique books, which is a passion of mine. I'm here to ensure that you have the very best experience of learning Photoshop, with lots of high quality films, resources with step-by-step guidance on the worksheets to keep you on track. This course will be divided into a variety of sections. Each will gradually evolve and grow as I create new tutorials for both my students in the physical world and those of you in the virtual world. I'm publishing this course slightly early to allow my current students to gain access to important Photoshop tutorials. Some of the sections I've got coming up, and I know I'm going to include a Photoshop intro with essentials. Then there's going to be an art history section, which I had great fun making, and I hope you're going to run with it and really get involved and experiment. In this section, I want you to be inspired by artists from the whole of the history of art, and there'll be a little mini 5-minute film at the beginning giving you a bit of background information about the artist and some of their stylistic devices and how that's going to influence the way that we're going to do our Photoshop render. Then we're going to move on to an architectural illustration section. So part of my day-to-day job is teaching architecture. There will be an experimental typographic section. We will have a pattern making section, so we will be designing patterns and repeat patterns for fabrics and wallpaper. On this course, you will discover a rich array of resources and hundreds of images that I've taken myself to allow you to create beautiful portfolio pieces. So this course should cater for all your Photoshop needs in just one place. Throughout this course, we will learn not only how to enhance images, but how to create them from scratch by compositing images and a host of different techniques that we can apply in Photoshop. Additionally, we're going to explore working with handcrafted artwork, and I'll show you how to digitize and make your drawings and sketches look as bright and clear as possible so they're just ready for publication. You will learn to magically alter backgrounds and remove unwanted objects and people. So by participating in this club, you'll soon become a Photoshop master, including difficult techniques like learning how to mask hair and knowing all those mysterious keyboard shortcuts that can really speed up your production within Photoshop. You're going to learn all the essential tools and tricks to achieve images effortlessly to a professional level so that you can submit to a publisher. There's going to be a section on preparing images for professional publications for both print and web, where you're going to learn about all the different colour modes and some little obscure techniques that I've picked up along the way. So whether you're brand new to Photoshop or just struggling with the basics, or you're just looking for some really exciting projects to take part in, or you want to do with your friends, or even if you're a teacher and you want some really kind of exciting projects that you can do with your students, by all means you can carry these exercises out. Just follow along with me and I'll guide you in creating beautiful and imaginative images. I do want you to introduce your own ideas and adapt the projects to make them your own. So without further ado, let's get started.